Fun fact: some pet parrots can develop a sense of humor and use it to playfully tease their owners. Explanation: while not all parrots display this behavior, certain species, particularly those known for high intelligence like African greys, have shown instances of seemingly intentional humor. This might involve mimicking sounds in a comical context, making exaggerated facial expressions after a prank, or engaging in playful actions like stealing an item and then hiding it with a mischievous look. Their understanding of cause and effect, combined with their ability to mimic and learn social cues, allows them to potentially recognize that their actions are funny and elicit a reaction from their human companions. It's important to note that definitively proving humor in animals is challenging, but the observational evidence suggests a capacity for playful teasing that transcends simple mimicry.